our next experiment, experiment 8, but the penny experiment, the first thing that we need to do is obtain 2 pennies, one before 1982, one after 1982. So here we have 2000, and this is a 1970 penny. So the first thing that we need to do would be to clean these pennies, and what we'll use vinegar and sodium chloride. So we'll use 15 milliliters of vinegar and 5 milliliters of sodium chloride, and I will place these 2 pennies. I'm using clean gloves, so I will place these 2 pennies in here, and I will occasionally stir this for about 10 minutes. I will use one of these, a spatula, to turn this over so it's cleaned on both sides. If that doesn't work very well, we can always use a tongs. And just flip these over, which might take a little while. So there. Okay, and we can clean these for 10 minutes. So the next step is to coat the penny. So here we have our 2 clean penny, the 2020 and the 1970. You can see that it's much cleaner now. And the first thing we have to do is to tear our beaker, and we have to place about 2 to 3 grams of our zinc. Okay, so I would use a spatula. So what do I have there? 2.41. I think that should be okay. I could add a little bit more. 2.95. Okay. And then I'll add sodium hydroxide, 10 milliliters of this. I will place my 2 clean pennies in here, and I should never handle the pennies with my bare fingers. Now I will heat this. Okay, so warm solution of zinc and sodium hydroxide, and after about 10 to 15 minutes, you see that the pennies look silver, right? Okay, so I will remove these and wash. Okay, so after removing from the zinc and sodium hydroxide, we'll wash in water, and then we'll remove these and place it onto the hot plate. Okay, and lastly, we'll place the pennies onto the hot plate. You can see that the 2020 penny is more silver, or shinier, I should say. And you should never leave these on here for more than about 30 seconds at a time. I'll just put it into the center. So you can see after about 3 to 4 minutes, 2020 penny looks golden, right? On both sides. The older penny is a little harder to get to be golden, but it's still coated.